Is 3D Touch not working in PUBG Mobile on your iPhone? Don't panic, and definitely don't ship your phone off to Tim Cook just yet. I've got you covered with some sweet solutions to get you back to dominating those matches with 3D Touch controls. So let's dive in and get your game on point again. Solution 1. Turn on the Haptic Touch feature on your iPhone. So to do this, first open up the Settings app, then scroll down a little, find Accessibility and tap on it. After that, tap on Touch from the Physical and Motor section. Next, tap on 3D and Haptic Touch. Then from here, toggle on 3D Touch. Now check if the 3D Touch feature works in PUBG Mobile or not. Solution 2. Offload PUBG Mobile app. To do this, open up Settings, next scroll down and tap on General, then tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down until you see PUBG Mobile, then tap on it. Next, tap on the Offload app button, then tap on Offload app, and it will be offloaded. Now just tap on Reinstall app and it will begin reinstalling. Once it's done, open the game and check if it helped with the issue. So guys, that's how you troubleshoot the issue of 3D Touch not working in PUBG Mobile on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.